Hello friends, myself Murugesh. Today I am discussing about the Kutta method solving using the C++ program. Let us start. Kutta method using C++ include the IOStream. Next, defining the ordinary differential equation that which has to be solved. That is a problem statement we have to define first. Hash define f of xy is a problem statement equal to y square minus x square divided by y square plus x square using namespace standard std. Coming to main function, declare the variables required, that is initial x naught y naught of the type float, then h is a step size, yn is a value of y which you have to find at value of n, k1 k2 k3 k4 and k variables we use in the program to solve, that is of the type float. Then I and n value which is of the type integer. Then cout, that is we have to print, that is for the user enter initial condition. User have to enter the initial condition, that is x naught c in and x y naught required, that is x naught and y naught has to be entered by the user during the execution of the program. Then cout, that we have to print that enter a calculation point xn. Xn is the calculation point of the value of the xn you have to be entered by the user at which the y is required. Next cout, that is print enter the number of steps required. It may be 4, 3, 5, anything we have to required, what number of steps we have required, that is n seen, that is we have to enter. Next step size calculation, h that is equal to xn and x naught is initial, then divided by n, that is we enter the n value, that is number of steps. Next Kutta method, we know the formulas. Hence for I equal to 0 until that I is less than n, I plus plus, that is I is incrementing up to less I is less than n. It starts from 0. K1 equal to h step size into f of x naught y naught. F of x naught y naught is we find it by f of xy equal to y square minus x square divided by y square plus x square. From putting this x naught and y naught in this value, we get the values that can be used in the h into f of x naught y naught to calculate the k1. Next k2, h into f of x naught plus h by 2 and y naught plus k1 by 2. Here the k1 is used which is stored in this previous problem solution is stored and then it is used in the calculation of k2. Similarly k3 equal to h into f of x naught plus h by 2 y naught plus k2 by 2, k4 equal to h into f of plus x naught plus h, then y naught plus k3 is used. Hence finally we have to store it in k and calculate it by using k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4 divided by 6 formula, which is stored value is stored in a k. Then we have got yn is equal to y naught is the initial plus k value what we have find it. Next we have to print x naught space y naught and yn, that is x naught is x naught plus h step size, then y naught is yn. Then we have to print the value of y at x equal to xn is yn, that is we get the values. We have to compile and see, run the program. Initial condition x naught value, let us take 0, y naught is 1. Calculation point xn, let us take the xn value 0.6. Next number of steps required is 5, hence we get the 4 steps. At 0.12, 0.24, 0.36 and 0.48, the values we got yn values. Next value of yn at when x is equal to 0.6 is required value is 1.53313. Thank you.